Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. 9 Trio, and today I am going to provide you answer key to class 12 Karnataka Board Maths Examination held today. So let's start. Starting with part A, answer for first question is C. Answer for second question is D. Next, answer for third question is B. Fourth question is A. Fifth question is B. Sixth question is C. Seventh question is A. Next, eighth question is D. Going towards ninth question, answer is C. 10th question, answer is B. 11th question, answer is D. 12th question, answer is A. And 13th question, answer is C. Moving towards 14th question, answer of the 14th question would be A. Next, answer for 15th question is B. Next, fill in the blanks. Answer for 16th question is -1. Answer for 17th question is 0. Answer for 18th question is 3. And answer for 19th question is 2. Next, answer for 20th question is 1. So this was all about the answer key of class 12 Karnataka Board Maths Exam MCQs. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe Dr. Nightbuddy Trio. Till then, thank you.